केमोफिलिक एकेडमी में आप लोग का स्वागत है। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि आईआईटी जाम की प्रिपरेशन के लिए कौन सी स्ट्रैटेजी होनी चाहिए या हमें किस तरीके से पढ़ना है जिससे कम टाइम में हम अपने टॉपिक्स को कवर करते हुए एक अच्छी प्रिपरेशन कर पाएँ। और ना सिर्फ आईआईटी जाम को हम यहाँ फोकस करेंगे, यहाँ पे प्रिपरेशन कुछ इस तरीके से होगी कि आप अगर चाहे तो टाइफर के बेसिस को भी उसमें कवर कर सकते हैं और चेस्ट को भी आप इसमें कवर सकते हैं। मतलब जो आपकी प्रिपरेशन होगी वो कुछ इस तरीके से मैंने यहाँ पे डिज़ाइन किया है। आई हैव मेड सच अ टाइप ऑफ मॉड्यूल दैट विल कंप्लीट योर सिलेबस विद इन टाइम एंड विल गिव यू सफिशिएंट टाइम to do revision and to do more and more practice. Okay, so what's the thing how I have decided to make the module? First of all, before starting the module, I must say that the person who do smart work wins first, okay, or win the game. So here there is no competition for the hard workers because there are many hard workers. You have a competition with the smart work. So you have to do your work very smartly, and according to this you have to make your module, you have to make your strategy always very smartly. Okay, so here I'm going to decide that what will be your module from my side, so that according to this module you can decide that what should be your strategy. Okay, so now let's see. Here you have the complete module, you can see on the screen. Okay, according to the month and according to its week, I have decided. First of all, we have started here waves and optics, mathematics and solid state physics, so that we can complete it. See, I have designed in such a way that what you are going to read in the first week, even what topic you are going to read in the first week, so you can see this, and the link is given below where you can see it in the PDF form, and definitely you should take a printout of this PDF and stick it on the table or on the wall or on the board wherever you study. Okay, so that daily by daily you can see that what's your weekend program. Here I want to highlight that, see how I have designed this. In the August month you are going to complete your waves and optics. Here I want to mention that waves and optics and oscillations, this is a combined course, but I have separated these two courses and made total 8 subjects as wave and optics, mathematical physics, solid state physics, oscillation, okay, EMT, thermodynamics, mechanics and modern physics. So let's see when we are going to complete what. In the month of August, we will have in our hand waves and optics. In the September, we will get the mathematical physics completed by the first week. In the fourth week, solid state and physics. Okay. Then in October first week, that is oscillation. Means in August, September and in the first week of October we have 3 subjects completely in our hand, that is wave and optics, mathematical physics and solid state physics, and definitely oscillations too. So these 3 subjects are very important, as mathematical physics is the major portion where you have to read. Okay, 7 to 8 marks question comes, and mathematics is the language of physics, so you must know mathematics. Your mathematics should be very good if you are going for TOEFL and GIST level especially. Okay, now again see the solid state physics. In solid state physics we cover the electronic portion also and the crystallography. So crystallography is very important nowadays. Material science is so much highlighted, number of research is there. It's on progress in solid state physics, so this is very important and major portion of the exams are covered from this topic. Next is your waves and optics and oscillation. So waves and optics, the optics, this word optics is nowadays, this is also a very crucial topic these days, as we have number of things in optical fiber. There is interdisciplinary branches, we are merging 2 branches. So optics mathematics is merged by AMT also, by solid state also. So in that respect it is very important. One more thing, while dividing the subject, you will see that I have selected the subject in such a way that some is easy, some is tough, some is of broad syllabus, and some is of very few syllabus. So why I have decided this? I have decided this because in some of the subject we don't have too much syllabus, but we get at least 7 to 8 mark questions from that. Means by reading 10 pages we are getting 7 to 8 marks. So I prefer this more instead of reading 200 pages and getting 10 marks from that. Okay, so that is important. What is that? By reading 50 marks I am getting 7 to 8 marks, or by reading 200 by reading 200 pages I am getting 10 to 12 marks. So which one is more good? 50 marks definitely. So first I have selected in such a way some topic with a big syllabus and some subject with a short syllabus. Okay, so mathematics is little broad, but waves and optics is short. Okay, so don't underestimate these subjects. These subjects are only with less hard work you are going to obtain the marks. Now in the second week of October, we are going to complete EMT, very important subject in any branch, in any exam. EMT is the most important subject which I prefer. Okay, so in the second week of October, you are going to complete EMT. Now you just think that if you are going to complete EMT till the 15th of October, so in that case, you are just preparing the toughest subject till mid of the October. Okay, now you have to make grip on these, and for that we will give the time also. Now let's proceed. Then in the third week of November, till the third week of November, we are going to complete thermodynamics and mechanics, and at last till the fourth week of November, that means that is the end of the November, we will complete the modern physics. Okay, so third week of November is thermodynamics and mechanics. That is your ending time, but it is starting from October, means the whole October and November, slowly with each and single step we are moving towards your mechanics, so that it can be more good. Okay, so now what I have designed, you may be thinking that mechanics should be in the first, like this way, but what I thought that the small subject, a small portion should be covered soon. Now the rest, what is left, that is broad, so you can take your time easily and you can learn it slowly. So 2 months are there I have designed for the mechanics, so that we don't have any burden that we have to prepare this also, that also, everything is available over here. Okay, now the last is modern physics, that is still your November. Okay, now what about your test series? So you have seen that in the module I have decided for the each week. That means the last day of the week of the month is always left. So your test will be organized in the last day of the month. It can be 29, 30 or 31st. Okay, that schedule will be updated, but syllabus will be fixed. Whatever you have read in the previous month, from that only there will be one minor test. After completing the syllabus, we will start the test series. First we will take the test series from the subject, that will be subject concerned, but that will be of full marks. And after 3 to 4 subject test, means for each subject we are going to have the test, and after subject test we will have a full length test, so that you can have the revision as students do in class, that they have a class test. So your monthly test is like your class test, and at the end of the syllabus you are going to have your individual subject test, and then at last, after taking all the grips, after making all grip on all the part, finally you are going to give your full length test. Okay, so till the November we are completing the syllabus, but we can see that till the 15th of November we are completing the whole syllabus except 1 or 2 topics. Okay, so you would prepare for TIFR also, as TIFR conducted its exam in the second week of the December. Okay, so you have 1 month preparation for the TIFR, and more for your this GATE, JAM and JEST. One more thing I want to say, that there is no meaning of preparation at the last time. You have to be prepared, you have to be serious from the same day when you start joining the class. You do revision more and more time, what you are studying, what you are learning. Try to do the questions from our assignment, and don't jump here and there number of times. If you want to do anything extra, just solve previous year question. That's it. Best of luck.